Welcome to the Tiny Toons world.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for goat, H is for hand, I is for insect, J is for jar, K is for kite, L is for lamb, M is for monkey, N is for nose, O is for oar, Q is for parrot, Q is for queen, R is for rat, S is for sun, T is for tap, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for well, X is for fox, Y is for yacht, Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.